Okay, here's our second thrilling example. Write an equation in slope-intercept form for the line that passes through -4, 6 and is perpendicular to 2x plus 3y equals 12. All right, so this one is perpendicular. So perpendicular means that we have opposite reciprocal slopes, or as I like to call it sometimes, flip and change. Flip the fraction, change the sign. Okay, well first we have to figure out what's the slope of this deal. So that's step one. If we don't know the slope of this, then we gotta find it out. And it's not in slope-intercept, so we gotta take it and put it in slope-intercept. You see? All right, so let's start there. So find slope. So we have 2x plus 3y equals 12. And so when you get y by itself, and the first step to doing that is going to be minus 2x, which gives us 3y equals negative 2x plus 12. And then we're going to take everything and divide by 3 and divide by 3 and divide by 3, giving us y equals negative 2/3 x, because that doesn't simplify. But 12 divided by 3, well, guess what? That is 4. So we have y equals negative 2/3 x plus 4. But that 4 doesn't even really matter, because all we care about is the slope. So the slope of this line, the original line, is negative 2/3. But we don't want that slope. What we want is the opposite reciprocal. Of negative 2/3. And so we're going to flip this over. So make it 3/2. And since this was negative, change the sign, and this is now positive. So this is the M of the line that we're looking for. So this step was to figure out what the slope of this line is, so that we can then get the opposite reciprocal, so we know the slope of the line, what the slope of the line that we are looking for is. That was a lot to say. Okay, so now we know we're looking for a line with a slope of 3/2 that goes through -4, 6. So there's our x and y. There's our m, and now it's just time to roll. Okay, so y equals mx plus b. And replace, so we got 6 equals 3/2 times -4 plus b. And I do believe that 3/2 times -4 is going to be, it's -12/2, and -12 divided by 2 is -6. So this actually comes out to -6 plus b. And then we're going to add 6 to both sides. So plus 6 and plus 6. See, some of you might have thought that was going to be at 0, right? Because you were going to do 6 minus 6 equals 0. But nope, that's a -6. We've got to add. So 12 equals b. So guess what? Our line that is perpendicular to 2x plus 3y equals 12 and goes through -4, 6 is y equals 3/2x plus 12. That is our answer. Isn't that brilliant? See, so the slope over here is -2/3. The slope over here is positive 3/2. Opposite reciprocals, perpendicular lines. Have a great day or evening or afternoon.